Welcome to the course preview session in Fundamentals of Computer Science and Programming. If you are a student who is seriously considering career options either as a computer programmer or as a web developer or as a database design specialist or a computer hardware and networking specialist and interested in understanding the basic fundamental concepts in computer science and programming, or you could be a student who has decided computers as a career option but undecided which way to go at this point of time, then this course is for you. Do you know almost all companies have elaborate candidate screening and selection process in place which will test your knowledge and skills not only for the position for which you applied for, but will also test your knowledge and understanding of the basic computer science fundamental concepts which every computer professional is expected to know. The computer science and information technology jobs are all skill set based jobs, and therefore during the recruitment process, the companies look for the candidates who not only have the requisite qualification but are also employable, which primarily depends upon the proficiency and the competency level achieved by the candidate. The employability of the candidate is also an important consideration which matters a lot to the potential employer than just the candidate's qualification. Due to lack of consistency in the education standard, selecting the right candidate with desired skill set has always been a challenging task for the companies. Companies generally look for the candidate who not only have the requisite qualification but also have achieved a reasonable level of professional skills. Let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Sanjay Sathe and I work as a director and principal faculty with a leading computer science education institute, Well-Ensure Services in India. I have been teaching different subjects in computer science for last 20 years. On education front, I am a postgraduate in engineering and computer science has always been my passion, hobby, and of course now a full-time profession. Let us now discuss the primary course objectives. The main objective I had in mind while designing this course is to first develop a foundational computer science knowledge base before a student can straightaway take up any high-level programming course, or in other words, a student should first arm himself with basic foundational concepts and a knowledge base which will give him an excellent start, and then he can decide which is the right path for him. All computer science professionals, programmers, share a common body of knowledge which is the foundational knowledge every computer professional should know. This course will give you that knowledge. It will enhance your skills and broaden your opportunities. Though it is not a career track course, but it is a critical step in the right direction. All the fundamental concepts and knowledge you will learn in this course has a direct application in building your knowledge base, no matter which skill set you may choose in future as a computer professional. The main purpose of this course is to bring about the conceptual clarity about the fundamental concepts in computer science and programming, which are critically important for every student of computer science before he actually jumps into any skill-specific course such as programming or web development. Let's now discuss why it should make sense for you to first learn fundamentals of computer science and programming. The computer science subjects are often packed with technical jargon, and familiarity with these fundamental concepts can be a big comfort factor while learning any subject. Lack of knowledge of fundamental concepts in computer science can really give some people a hard time and make the learning experience frustrating. Worse, some people might just give up. It is easily possible to comfortably learn any subject in computer science if you first invest some time in studying the fundamental concepts, and this will give you an absolute clarity and a knowledge base to learn any other subject in computers. Let's now discuss the job opportunities in computer science. The computer science today is undoubtedly the most sought after skill set in the job market and one of the best financially rewarding career opportunity across the globe. Computer science offers plethora of choices to build your professional career. The scope and classification of computer science has been discussed in detail in the first section of this course, which covers an introduction to computer science. Let's now move on to the final topic, that is, what will you learn from this course? The scope of computer science is pretty vast and can be grouped into two major streams, that is, theoretical computer science and applied computer science. This course consists of 7 hours of high-quality video lectures in high definition, which is packed with graphics, images, and animation in order to present the contents in most simplified and effective manner. The course contents have been grouped into 15 sections and total 94 lectures. In this course, all important fundamental concepts in computer science and programming have been covered in detail. For beginners, this course will give an excellent start in terms of building your knowledge base and improving your understanding of all important fundamental concepts in computer science and programming, irrespective of your professional background. For existing computer science professionals with some experience, this course will be an excellent resource to enhance and refresh your knowledge base in computer science and programming. That brings us to the end of this course preview session, and I do appreciate your time. Let me assure you, this is a unique course in terms of course contents and presentation, and I am sure you will find this course completely worth investing your time and efforts. Needless to say, but this course also comes with 1 month of free trial with money back guarantee. Thanks, and I do look forward to see you soon to join this unique course.